Hello guys, so we are on chapter 7, that is the comparing quantities, and we have discussed till question number 8, that is exercise 7.2. So now we are moving towards question number 9. So that is given, Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, find the marked price. Very simple, okay? Just go through the statement properly. You can solve the any question easily. Like Arun bought a pair of skates that was in sale. So discount that was given 20%. So he bought that skates at 20% discount. If the amount he pays amount, so selling price he just paid 1600 rupees. Sorry, it means if the amount he pays, it means the Arun has to pay, that is 1600 rupees. That is the selling price for the shopkeeper. Okay, that is the selling price for the shopkeeper. So selling price, that is a 1600 rupees. Find the marked price. MRP you have to find. MRP, that is 100%. Okay, and this is selling price actually, because Arun pays, that is MRP, and discount, he got discount, it means minus 20% he got discount. So basically Arun pays 80%. Arun pays 80%. This is 80%, right? So selling price, that is a 80%. Actually, if you might confuse that selling price, how it is selling price, because he is purchasing this, Arun is purchasing this. In point of view shopkeeper, it is a selling price. Getting? Okay. So 80%. So 80%, that is given 1600 rupees. You have to find 100% by unitary method. Eight ones are 8 twos are 16. So 20 multiply 100, 2000. Getting? So the MRP of that skates 2000. Okay. Our answer is 2000. Getting my point? So MRP is, that is 2000. Okay.